Hello, welcome back. You guys, I have a DIY to do with you guys today. So if you have something to drink and you're ready, let's get this party started. So I had a request from a viewer. First of all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Grandma GAINZ. This is Bohippianlife. I am a reselling grandma on multiple platforms. This video is how a DIY and how you can save money. I can save money. Anyways, so my viewer asked, she wanted a raised garden, but she doesn't want to spend any money. She already has dirt. And what could I come up with? Any ideas? So I've got all kinds of seeds. I don't know what we'll use. Maybe I will just make it and give it to her as a gift. I'm not really sure. So I have dirt, seeds, and a tote, you guys. So this is an 18-gallon tote. I have tons of totes. I'm a reseller. I keep my inventory in my totes in plastic bags. If you're interested in that, I will leave a link to one of my videos in the description box below. So this is what I've decided to do. I'm going to put holes all around the bottom, and in the bottom fill it with dirt. We can set it up on cinder blocks. That way it will drain. We're not going to get weeds in it. We're not going to have to bend over You could have a seat or a stool out there and you can work in your raised garden bed. All right. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. My goodness. So problem number one, the drill batteries are dead. They're charging. So I came up with a better idea, you guys. My glue gun. It's been warming up. We're just gonna melt holes in it. Ooh, it is warm. Oh my gosh, look how fast that worked. What? So if you don't have a drill, but you have a glue gun, you don't even have to have anybody do this for you. Hot dog, I'm not even gonna hurt myself. Oops, as long as my cord is long enough. I do have the cordless one, but I didn't want to get plastic all over it. This is a small high heat. It has you cannot adjust the heat level. And it's working slick. Just be careful not to touch sides. So, kids, big kids, little kids, old kids like me, make sure you have adult supervision when you do this. That is amazing how fast it just goes right through that. A little bit of pressure. So I'm going to finish these two. I'll be right back. Finishing up this last one on the bottom. Now let's do the sides. You can go as high or as low as you want. Of course, the higher your holes are, the more water is going to stay in your container. So if you keep them lower to the bottom, it'll the roots won't sit in a lot of water. And again, it's totally up to you how many you want in them. Oh, trying to get this one in view here. There we go. Down kind of low. Oh, it's warm. Again, be careful you don't touch any of those hot elements. Well, I'm not quite sure how many we're going to need in here. Whoops. Or we're going to get actually on this side. So let's try to evenly space it, just for looks. A little bit of pressure on it will push it through faster. And again, if you are sensitive to smells, you may want to wear a mask. Yeah, I have no clue how many to put in here. At this point, I'm probably just playing with the glue gun. So this side has 6, short side has 3. And again, do not breathe these fumes in. All right, I'm going to finish the other 2 sides and I'll be back. This is my last one I'm putting on the side. The other end is done. There we go. So before you unplug your glue gun, just look inside real quick to make sure that you actually went all the way through. You'll be able to see. Oh, it looks perfect. Looks great. I love it. Okay. Let's get some dirt. Okay, so I brought it out here so I wouldn't spill the dirt all over my rug. And whether we keep it or not, I still want the dirt in it, even if I give it away. This thing is so heavy. Ah. Make sure you bend your knees, you guys. No fooling. And of course, if you already know where you want to put it, you'll put it up, you'll have your cinder blocks already ready. But I don't know what we're doing. This is a great garbage bag too for outdoors. So, there's some big clumps in here. I'll just get them worked out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and crumble all this up. And, oh my gosh, it looks cool. I'll be back in a minute. So I have just talked to my friend, and she said she has a ton of totes. So now I can find placement for this one. Oh, I can keep it. So I'm going to have to get more dirt, but I've placed my cinder blocks. Would you like to see where I put them? All right. So I have this little walkway here I'm working on, and I went ahead and did another one. So I have one here, and I put it up before I put the soil in. So this one is on cinder blocks and ready to have a plant in it. And then over here, kind of next to it, is where the other ones are going to go. So, let's see how it works. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sweating like crazy. Can you see this? Dripping. Wow, okay. I have to go wash my hands. I'll be right back. So, like I said, I'm going to have Larry help me move that, and it'll be going on the other side of that tote. I don't know if you can see that there. It'll be on the other side of it. And I'm not quite sure, again, what I'm going to put in it. I have all kinds of stuff. I have gourds, peppers, dill, onion, chives and parsley. This stuff is for the paper I want to make with the wildflower seeds. Yeah, so that's what those are for. And if things go right, that should be coming soon. All right, you guys. So I'm going to wait for Larry. I'm going to clean up my mess. Whew. So if you like this type of content based around saving money, DIYs, doing it yourself, I hope you give my video a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. I would love to have you in the family. Check out my membership levels. I offer 4 of them now. What else do I have for you? I don't know. So if you've done a raised garden like this, I would love to know how you did it, what you thought of it, how long, how long did it last, or did you use something different? So you can either leave me a comment when this video uploads, or you can send me an email if, you don't want other people to know. It happens. Some people are like that. But I would truly love to hear, to know what you've done or if you're going to try it. And I would love to see a picture. So you guys, again, like, comment, subscribe, share. I hope you have the best day ever. And I'll see you in the next video.